In order to keep your drone safe while being carried and stored, this video will walk you through some of the best cases for the DJI Air 3S.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have FPVtosky dual-layer hard case. For those who value the highest level of protection for their DJI Air 3S, the FPVtosky dual-layer hard case is a great option. This case has a sturdy shell composed of materials that are meant to endure rough treatment and impacts. Each component of the double-layered hard case, which is specifically made for DJI Air 3S drones, has its own storage area to keep the items neat and away from one another while being transported. Compatible with the DJI FPV remote control and the DJI RC series, numerous adaptable extension spaces with a large capacity are planned. The top layer can accommodate up to 8 batteries, and the huge flexible area allows you to handle nearly every DJI Air 3S accessory. The bottom layer can accommodate 20 inches and 25 inches foldable aprons, iPads, tablet holders, RC lanyards, and other accessories. You can rest easy realizing that your DJI Air 3S is protected from unintentional openings thanks to the sturdy latches that lock firmly. The integrated pressure release valve, which aids in regulating the internal and exterior pressure at varying altitudes, is another practical feature. Those who need to transfer their drone by air and travel regularly may find this especially helpful. On number 2, we have RSO CoCaran Case. For those looking to mix portability and safety for your DJI Air 3S, the RSO CoCaran Case is an excellent choice. The sturdy outside of this cover, which is made of premium EVA material, protects your drone from collisions, and the soft fabric lining the inside keeps scratches at bay. This travel case, which is made of high-density EVA and superior 1,680 materials, is robust and features dedicated spaces to keep your drone and accessories organized, giving your Air 3 out of 3 protections from scratches and shock. The battery holder has an EVA holder, so you can insert the battery to keep it in place when you're out shooting with your Air 3 for the day and don't need to bring the charger. Alternatively, you may take out the EVA holder and put the battery and charger in this area if you only wish to store the drone and its accessories in a protective case. Your charging cable and additional accessories are kept in a mesh pocket that zips up the top lid. 3 little mesh pockets for your SD cards, propellers, etc. are included in this center compartment. For securing your drone and its accessories, the lower section features several small pockets and fastening straps. You can carry it easily thanks to the integrated shoulder strap and sturdy handle straps. On number 3, we have Cenpin carrying case. For owners of the DJI Air 3S who require a dependable option for everyday transportation, the Cenpin carrying case is a flexible and reasonably priced choice. It offers superior protection for the drone and its accessories against scratches and damage while in transit thanks to its special leather case material and expert molding. Every area is specifically designed to accommodate DJI Air 3S accessories. Accessories like a backup joystick, drone remote control, intelligent flight battery, and remote control cable can be stored in it. It is simple to pack in a travel bag or backpack. For easy placing and retrieval, it has a shoulder strap and non-slip handle. It is portable. The dual zipper design of the Cenpin carrying case is a distinctive feature that makes it simple and quick to reach your equipment. Long-term usability is ensured by the smooth and robust design of the zippers. Additionally, the case has a handy front pocket that is ideal for holding documents, manuals, and other supplies you might need while on the go. On number 4, we have Lykus M1 backpack case. For fans of the DJI Air 3S, the Lykus M1 backpack bag provides the perfect balance of portability and protection. This backpack's sturdy, water-resistant nylon construction allows it to endure harsh use in a range of weather situations. Its interior has specially designed foam inserts that keep your DJI Air 3S and its accessories firmly in place while being carried. It is simple to store everything in one location with the backpack's numerous pockets and sections for storing extra batteries, propellers, and other necessities. The Lykus M1 backpack bag features a ventilated back panel and padded shoulder straps for enhanced comfort, making it comfortable to carry even overextended distances. Tripods and water bottles can also be conveniently stored in the side pockets. For your DJI Air 3S, the Lykus M1 backpack case provides a useful and secure option whether you're hiking, vacationing, or simply commuting. So these are some of the best cases to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.